Hi everybody, my name is Akshay Garishankar and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw an eye using three objects. A black pen, a blue pen, and a red color pencil which fell on the floor somewhere, but yeah, I'll find it later. Anyways, for now though, I think I'll just use two colors, black and blue. Alright, let's put these two pens away. Alright, let's start with the black pen and try and work from there. Alright, get my hand positioned nicely. Alright, so first things first, we want to try and define the shape of the eye. So, we're going to try and define the top part of the eye. Make it like that so that the right part of the eye, this is this is a left eye of a person. Like if you're looking from behind, then it's the left eye. So this part should be a little bit higher than this part, and should be quite a bit more curved. Then going here, that's a little bit of a straight line. Then, yeah, like that. Alright, basic thing. Now from there, you put in the iris. Normally you cannot see an entire circle, so there you go. You can probably just put most of it, right? The other bit would be going up over like that. But anyways, third bit is you can draw in the inner part of the eye as well. Again, you can't see the entire thing. And then fourth part, draw in a little bit of a highlight. That's the basics. And maybe like that, like just an indication of the eyebrow, just gonna and the rest of it. Now we'll come back to that later, but first I want to start with the coloring or the shading, right? So I want to start by taking my blue pen and going from the outside inwards and lifting up as you can, because you see, you might not have as great a degree of control over the pressure on a pen as you do with say pencil or brush, but it's certainly not like just non-existent, so you do have some control. You have to be very nuanced with your approach. So there you go, there's one bit. And you can see here, I'm going to be switching to black pen in a little bit. If you can see here, it's actually a little bit lighter in the middle, and then darker at the edges closer to the middle of the eye, and then on the outer border. Alright, now taking my black pen, and I'm just going to darken the border a little bit. There you go. I'm doing this by looking into a camera lens, so please don't judge too harshly. Also, you want to darken up the edges ever so slightly. Again, just like work from outside in. I guess the focus is not great. Okay, there you go. That's better. Alright. Oh, look at that disgusting detail over there. Anyways, then you can work from the outside in, right? Yeah. Alright, there's that part done. Now we can color in this part of the eye, starting from like the corner, top left corner, and from the top of the eye, and going like that. And just kind of lifting off near the end to make it like that, right? So let me just get that. Yeah, okay. So there you go. That's that little part of the eye. Now, unfortunately, I cannot find my red color pencil anywhere, so I can't really do the tear duct. So, bleh. Yeah. Anyways, I'll just show you how to do it in black and white. So let me just zoom in there, refocus. Alright. And so you can, like, ever so slightly just do a little bit of shading there. Anyways, that's not great, but you know, it's there. Now, this part of the eye, the top part of the eye, the like upper eyelid, casts a little bit of the shadow into the eyeball. So leave the highlight be, leave it be almost completely, but just from there, just like do the rest of the eye. Like just put in a little bit of like darker, like just a little bit of black pen, dark color, just to make a little bit of a shadow. There you go. That's looking better. And then from there, this part, the eyelashes. So use this part as a reference, as a wrinkle in the eye, fold in the eye, and then just layer. Very, very gradually just layer it. Just very gradually layer it. This is a kind of terrible rendering of it, but you know, blah. Yeah. Anyways, bottom eye, you can be a little bit more like restrained on it. Just have very short hairs. It's not the best job I've done, of course, but then again, I'm using one hand to draw and then the other hand to both stabilize the paper and hold the camera. So, yeah. If you want the eyebrow to look like it's been done by a brow pencil, then use a blue pen and just go over it a little bit. Just go over it a little bit. Just to make it ever so slightly blue. Like that. And just use the lightest touch ever. There. Now it looks much, much better. Also, if you want to shade it, maybe you can add a little bit of shading. So start here. And again, when it's kind of like doing eyeshadow, basically, use this line over here as like trying to make like a cut crease. Basically, just make the top part quite dark, like relatively just a lot darker than this part. So, like that. And just below the eyebrow, it's very, very dark. But then as you get closer to the tip of the eyebrow, it starts to trail off. So, and then this part here, let me just blend that in, kind of make it not look so bleh. I know I'm just saying bleh a lot, but you know, I'm just lost for words, as in it's really late and I can't speak properly right now. So, yeah. Anyways, there you go. Oh, wait. Alright, there you go. That is an eye. It's, or at least a really, really terrible two-colored, like two-tone version of an eye. So thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, see you later.